Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2014 Honda CRV key battery. Start by finding the small seam along the fob edge and gently pry it open with a flat plastic tool. Carefully lift out the old CR 2032 battery and memorize which side faced up. Insert the new battery matching orientation, press the halves together until they click, and test lock, unlock, and panic functions to confirm success. Before you begin, gather a flat plastic pry tool, a fresh CR 2032 battery, and a soft cloth to work on. Make sure your hands are clean and dry to prevent dirt or oil from reaching the contacts. Lay the fob face down on the cloth and keep track of any small plastic tabs. Having the right battery and gentle tools makes the swap quick and prevents accidental damage to the remote shell and internals. Begin by inserting the pry tool into the seam and twisting gently to open the fob without forcing it. Use a non-metal tool to lift the old CR 2032 battery free and avoid touching the contact pads with your fingers. Place the new battery in the same orientation, ensuring the positive side faces the correct direction, then press the halves together until they snap. Finally, test each button to confirm full function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.